all hearing aids have the same basic components. That is, microphones, an amplifier, a battery and a computer chip programmed by the hearing care professional to suit the wearer's individual needs. Here is a step-by-step summary of how they work. Microphones pick up the sound. Sounds are analysed by the processing chip. Processed sounds are sent to the amplifier, which transmits the sounds to the inner ear. And in the inner ear, the sounds are transformed into electrical impulses and picked up by the brain. So, what makes LUXATO'S product so different? Firstly, LUXATO provides a unique sound processing algorithm in the chip. LUXATO offers extensive support including wireless connectivity, app control, remote fitting and lithium-ion recharge. LUXATO offers significant differences over other hearing aids in the quality of sound capture, enhancing speech recognition over our range of devices.